for these pickles, one recipe, and it says it only makes 3 pints. That's a shame. It says 8 cups of prepared watermelon rind cubes. This one says 7 cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to get my cubes, or my little pieces, not cubes, and I'm going to just measure and see what I have. And I have another watermelon outside on the porch that I can add to this if I need to. But I need to get something to put all of the pieces and parts in. I've got something for my outer skin, my rind, not rind, but the peeling. I've got this for the compost. For my rind, that's going to be my pickles. And then for the flesh, the watermelon part, the edible part, and we'll eat or juice that. You could freeze it as well. Okay, I think I'm going to do it this way. How would you do it? How would you cut it? It might be easier doing it this way. Okay. Oh, it smells good. It's not terribly bright red inside. Came from an Amish man down the road. Almost froze. It's good. And I don't even care for watermelon. That is super good. I think what I'm going to do, though, this rind is not thick either. Kind of a problem. I think I'm trying to make it easier to, I could even use a spoon easily, you know. I don't want to get any pink or much pink. So it's a little bit of a tedious process, maybe. Just put this on the floor for the compost and throw it down there. And then I'm just going to have my pieces. And honestly, I'll be honest, I'm not worried about the, yes, they'll all be about the same size. I'm not worried about the same shape. They'll all be about the same thickness, but I'm not worried about the shape itself, if that makes sense. So, okay. You know what? I wonder about this. Maybe I should have done that from the beginning. Oh, bingo. Okay. Well, there we go. Should have thought about that. And we do have some green, and we don't really want the peeling. The green's okay. I tell you, these do not, what do these taste like? Well, they just are a hunk of sugar delight. That's all I can tell you. All right, perfect. So now I'm just going to take, I probably need a paring knife for this job. And might have been better if I had just cut it into smaller pieces. And then this gets thrown in here. We'll either eat it or juice it. When we had COVID last year, when we were sick last year, a friend of mine, dear friend of mine, brought some watermelon juice, which is very healthy for you, and that was so delicious. So I'm just trying to get all the pink off. I don't want that. All right, and then just to demonstrate, I'm going to show you. So I'm just making, basically it's strips is how I do it. If some people want to do chunks, that's fine. That how the sizes or the shape of your pickles is not important to me. So these are just going to be kind of like, how would you say, maybe like a condiment thing, something pretty you could put on the side of your plate when you're eating your good cold fried chicken in the summer with your potato salad, picnic, potatoes, cold fried chicken, picnic, sweet tea, maybe potato salad, homemade brownies. That was a memorable picnic that we had once upon a time. I'll never forget that menu because it was so delicious. Plus, it was with my family. Okay. So that's how you do it. That's how you're going to separate your peeling from your rind, from your flesh, as they call it, the edible pink part. So maybe that helps you have an idea.